Okay, in this video I'll be teaching exercise 4D, question 8 and probably question 10. Okay, so for question 8, let's take a look. Okay, we have an equation with unknown A, B and C that we need to solve. Okay, they say suggest a set of value for A, B and C. Alright, so I think the idea is quite simple. We have to compare both sides, but right now we cannot compare because on the left we have this 3, on the other side we have 12 and 12. This side, maybe the idea is to change everything to 12, denominator 12, then we can combine denominators and compare. Okay, once the denominator is both the same, over 12, then we can compare the numerator. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let's see. I will use blue this time around. So from here, I will multiply 4 to the denominator and 4 to the numerator. Ax plus 7y plus y minus bx over 12. The other side I can actually combine denominator. It's quite fast for the right hand side over 12. So for the left hand side, now I'm ready to combine denominator. At the same time, I would like to multiply the 4 in to the bracket to get 4ax plus 28y plus y minus bx, and that will be equals to cx plus 29y over 12. One more step. Right hand side remains the same, no change. Left hand side, let's see, I have 4a minus b x. How do I get that? I have 4ax here, I have minus bx, so I can factorize out x. I'll get 4a minus bx. As for the other part, we have 28y plus 1y. We have 29y. Right, so let's compare. Let's compare. It's a, what do you call that? An open question. Alright, so we may have many values for our answer, and let's take a look at this. Let me use some other color. Okay, let me use yellow again. See, 29y. We have 12. So naturally, we will compare. What will we compare? We will compare 4a minus b with c. Right, so we have this expression. They say suggest a set of values of c. How about we give them some values? For example, we can let a be any number. Okay, for example, let's say 5, and b will be 3. Then what will c be? 4 times 5 minus 3 equals to c equals 17. Alright, this is just some values. This is just a set of values of a, b and c. I can think of other numbers. I can let a be, let's say 10, then b I want it to be 2. Then what will c be? C will be 4 times 10 minus 2, which is 38. Alright, so it's a open question. You can just suggest a set of values for a, b and c, but it will be determined by this equation. Okay, so let's move on to question 10. A student wrote the following working to express this expression as a single fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so now your role is to be a teacher and try to spot the mistake for this particular student. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's see. Make common denominator for these two, but it's kind of weird. He didn't consider this 6. So he or she combined denominator here. Let's check whether there is any mistake. Okay, I spot 1 already. Do you spot 1? Okay, I managed to spot 1 here. When he combine denominator, this should be minus. Okay, because this negative sign, when you apply to this, let's say you do the reverse, you multiply to this addition sign, this should be minus. Alright, so it's wrong. Okay, so what should happen here is this should be a negative sign. Okay, because negative will give you positive. Alright, I believe there are other mistakes, so let's see any other mistake that you can spot. I think I spot another mistake here, somewhere here. Why did the student change to 126? Take a look here, it's 6 and 21. Lowest common multiple should be 42, not 126. You're creating a big problem for yourself, okay, by not changing into the LCM. Okay, let's try to help this student out. Okay, try to do this question. Okay, it's a long question, and for my case, I will change all to the lowest common multiple, which will be 42. 6 times 7 is 42. 21 times 2 also 42. That will be the LCM. So, and I will do a long line here. I write a long line here and straight away write the common denominator 42. So for 6 to change to 42, I multiply by 7, right? So 5 must also multiply by 7 to get 35. 4x minus y. Okay, then I have a negative sign here, so it's a minus. How will 21 change to 42? 21 multiplied by 2, right? So 11 must also multiply by 2. So you get 22x minus 2y. Last but not least, 7 multiplied by 6 will give me 42. Therefore, 6 multiplied by 6 as well will give me 36. 3y minus 2x. Okay, let's simplify further. Let's expand in all the numbers, like 35 multiply in, minus 22 multiply in, 36 also multiply in. Let's see the results. 35 multiply in. Okay, I'll use my calculator so it'll be faster as well. 140x minus 35y minus 22x. Be careful, negative 22 multiplied by x will give you negative 22x. Negative 22 multiplied by negative 2y will give you positive 44y. Then 36 multiplied by 3y, we get 108y. And 36 multiplied by negative 2 minus 72x. Okay, let's simplify further. Let's focus on all the x first. Let me highlight this, and this. So 140, I will take away 22, I will take away 72, 46. Sorry. 46x. And let's focus on the y. Negative 35y plus 44y plus 108y. 117. Positive 117y. And this is correct. 46, 117, 42. Nothing in common, no common factor. This will be the final answer. Look at the difference between this answer and their answer. Okay, so one small mistake at the start, one small mistake can result in a totally different answer.